Oaks kids, how you doing? You have fun?
Yeah.
First time welding stainless, right? Very cool. Are you going to come to our weld competition?
Yes.
Alright, cool. Alright, we got another Scarlet Oaks kid. Weld stainless for the first time. How's it going?
I love it.
You're about to start?
Yeah.
Alright, you're having fun though?
Yeah.
Seeing stuff you've never seen before?
Yeah.
Perfect. You're going to come to the weld competition?
Yeah.
Here's another Scarlet Oaks. Again, he's about ready to do some stainless. Ever welded stainless? No? Alright, so he's here. He's going to do something he's never done before. Awesome. Are you going to come to the weld competition? Awesome. Wow.